First things first, we're making the car look better. All right, so after making the car look very nice with the 3D sticker, what we're showing you here today at Sunday school, we're showing you the 3D headlight restoration. What this does right here, it removes the yellowness off the headlight to bring it back to life. So now that I broke it in half, now I can show you the 50-50. So now I'm gonna get the 3D headlight restore, 3-inch spider pad, dark spider pad. You don't need a lot, you need very little. What you do need a lot of is elbow grease. So there's a lot of headlights that are yellow from the outside and a lot of them that are yellow from the inside. And once they're yellow from the inside, you pretty much can't do nothing about that. If you want to go further in repairing the headlight, you can always use sandpaper, a polisher. And there you have it. All right, so now we're gonna show you the difference with the polisher. Using the same method, same sponge, just instead of using your hand, I'm gonna use a polisher, add a little bit more of headlight restoration. So what this does right here is removing more of the yellowness, making it more clear. But I can see that it does have a lot more of clear coat failure down here. You can see it. So you see how I cleaned up the lens a lot better using the machine. But I didn't do it bad. It didn't do bad by hand either. But right here, I need to sand it. So now we're gonna sand it to show you the difference. All right, so welcome back. So now we're gonna do right here, this headlight right here. We're gonna start sanding it. We're gonna use RVL 3-inch polisher. Gonna use an interface from 3D. We're gonna start off with 1000 grit sandpaper, 3-inch. Right here is clear coat failure. When you're polishing, you gotta be very, very careful that you do not hit the chrome. What you can do is probably put a piece of tape better. Like that, you would protect the area. Because once you scar this, there's no coming back. And then also too, is a good idea to put it on the bumper. But when you do that, make sure you pass the tape through your hand like this. So eliminate some of the glue or the adhesive on the tape. Like that, when you put it away, you do not bring some of the tape back with you. So then, like right here, when I'm polishing, you don't hit right here, or you don't burn when you're polishing with the machine either. And the same thing right here, like that, we don't burn, no paint. And then, so the stuff that you see right here is clear coat failure. We have to make sure we remove this right here. If not, when we polish it out, you're gonna see this right here. So now I'm gonna use 2500 grit sandpaper. All right, so now that we corrected it with sandpaper, we're gonna use the same 3-inch dark spider pad with headlight restore. Headlight restore will only correct 2500 grit sandpaper or finer. All right, so there you have it. Multiple ways of using headlight restore. Foam pad, machine, sandpaper, elbow grease. It all works.